Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, guys, today we are going to talk about describing people, physical and personality. Part one will be uh, explaining, describing physical appearance. Well, the objectives of this meeting is at the end of these lessons, you will be able to use a range of adjectives to describe people's physical appearance and personality. And then you can also use comparative and superlative structure to compare people, and you are going to be able to speak naturally when describing someone by using appropriate collocations, linking words and intonations. And finally, you can ask and answer descriptive question fluently. Let's talk about the concept. Well, I have a question, ladies and gentlemen. Who is in your mind? Think of a person you admire. It could be a friend, celebrity, or teacher. What makes them special? How would you describe them in three words? For example, funny, tall, hardworking, and generous. Well, today we'll learn how to describe people clearly and naturally. The first concept that we are going to talk about is describing physical appearance. Physical description talk about how people look. For examples, we could describe their body, hair, face, and styles. And the useful adjective that we usually use when describing physical descriptions is height, okay, comprising tall, short, medium height, or build, like slim, chubby, well-built, um, muscular, okay, and hair, curly, straight, wavy, blonder, dark, shoulder length. And we can also describe face, like round, oval, handsome, beautiful, cute, or other descriptions like the skin, for example, fair-skinned, dark-skinned, wear glasses, stylish, something like that. And you are going to be familiar also with the collocations that we use in describing the physical appearance, like a slim figure, a round face, okay, a round face, okay, a long wavy hair, okay, or a confident smile and athletic build. Okay, this is the collocations, okay. Um, and then useful phrases that you can use to describe the physical appearance is like she has long curly hair and bright eyes. Okay, and then also he looks like his brother. Looks like, okay. She's got a kind of face. Got a kind of she's got. Okay. He's quite tall, but not very muscular. And there are times when you have to ask people about the physical appearance. Okay, so you can use the questions. How do questions the physical appearance, like what does your best friend look like? Okay. How would you describe your favorite celebrity's appearance? Or who is taller, you or your best friend? What kind of hairstyles do you think suits you best? Do you think people's appearance affect first impressions? Okay, so these are the questions that you can ask to your friends. And we are going to take a look at the sample answers that you can also practice by yourself. Yeah. For example, if we ask question, what does your best friend look like? Or if your friend asks this question, what does your best friend look like? You can answer, well, my best friend is medium height and quite slim. She has long, straight black hair and big brown eyes. She usually wears casual clothes like jeans and t-shirts, and she always has a bright smiles that makes her look very friendly. Okay, so this is the example, the way you can respond to these questions. Yeah. Okay, so you can describe the physical appearance. Yeah. Okay, slim, yeah, medium height, and you can also describe her hair. Okay, long, straight black hair, as well as her eyes. Yeah, big brown eyes, and you can also describe her fashion. Wears casual clothes like jean and t-shirt, as well as smile. Okay, you can describe the smile. Uh, she has a bright smiles. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you describe both um, physical and um, I think also personality. Yeah. A bit personality here, friendly. Okay. Um, the description about personality can be learned later. All right. How would you describe your favorite celebrity's appearance? You can answer, well, my favorite celebrity is Chris Evans. He is tall and well built, with short brown hair and blue eyes. He has a confident smile and usually looks stylish but simple. I think his appearance, I think his appearance matches his calm and kind personality. Okay, see? Okay. This is how to respond this question. How would you describe your favorite celebrity appearance? Okay, question number three. Who is taller, you or your best friend? My best friend is a bit taller than me. I'm about 165 centimeters, and she's around 170. But I think I look taller sometimes because I usually wear shoes with higher soles. Okay, so you can practice it by yourself, by reading it, and then after that, you you can speak without reading. All right. And question number four, what kind of hairstyle do you think suits you best? You can answer, I think short, layered hair suits. Sorry, uh, I repeat, yeah. I think short, layered hair suits me because it's easy to manage and makes my face look fresher. I used to have long hair, but it took too much time to take care of. Too much time to take care of. So now I prefer something more practical. Okay, see how you can describe your hair, your hairstyles. Okay, this question is specifically focused on hairstyles. Okay, number five. Do you think people's appearance affects first impressions? This is a bit uh, challenging because it's asks you about the concept here. So talking about concept is more difficult and more challenging compared to talking about physical appearance. Okay. Do you think people's appearance affect first impressions? Yes, I think appearance does affect first impressions, especially when meeting someone for the first time. People often notice how someone dresses or behaves before they really get to know them. But I also believe personality becomes more important once you start talking to the persons. Okay. You can once again practice this with your friends, okay, with your friends or even by yourself. But if you have partner to practice this, I think it's better. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and we are going to see you on part two. Thank you.